Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we are diving deep into HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on the 23rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since June 23, 2025, our system has ranked HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 94.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 94.2% to 268.21%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates an 85.2% projected change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 39.76% to 259.76% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $58.67 and $151.3. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Volatile Ride for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A, stock price on Monday, moving between $41.98 and $48.35. The stock price for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A, fell by 34.63% on the last day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, from $64.22 to $41.98. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.19%, with a day low at $41.98 and a day high of $48.35. The price has experienced significant ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 25.47% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 134 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning signal, and the risk is expected to rise slightly over the coming days. In total, 172 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $7.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price is 42.48%, or $31, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated has faced significant turbulence in the market today, with shares plummeting by over 30%. This sharp decline follows the termination of its partnership with Novo Nordisk, which cited deceptive marketing practices related to the weight loss drug Wegovy. Investors are now under increased scrutiny as multiple law firms investigate potential securities fraud violations associated with the company. These investigations imply a considerable breach of trust, which could severely erode investor confidence. In the short term, the stock price is likely to remain under pressure as the repercussions from these announcements continue to resonate throughout the market. The loss of a key partnership not only impacts immediate revenue streams, but also raises concerns about HIMS and HERS marketing practices, potentially leading to further scrutiny and regulatory challenges. Long-term implications may depend on the outcomes of the ongoing investigations. Should these inquiries uncover substantial wrongdoing, the company's reputation could be irreparably damaged, influencing future partnerships and access to capital. Conversely, if HIMS and HERS can effectively address these allegations and restore investor confidence, there may be a pathway for recovery. The volatility observed today serves as a cautionary tale for investors, underscoring the risks associated with emerging healthcare companies that operate in competitive and highly regulated markets. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, it was reported that Needham gave HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank gave HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave HIMS a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to HIMS and HERS Health, Class A stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have been issued as well, which may impact the near short-term development. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $56.99 and $55.42. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 35.07%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average reflected a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $41.88, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.38 between its high and low, which represents a change of 15.19%. In the last week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 9.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 17 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $49.47. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $41.88. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Chi Michael, who bought and sold 182,331 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.00. In total, insiders acquired 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? The HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A will underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a strong buy to a sell candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 24th, we expect HIMS and HERS Health Class A to open higher by $2.12, starting at a price of $44.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.